Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. Today I'm going to show you a little quick tip, a trick to hopefully get you out of a pinch, right? The only thing is you're going to need some source of ignition, whether it be a lighter or a ferro rod, something to ignite what I'm about to show you. Alright, so let's get into it. So you take your knife, take your blade, you have your jeans, right? What you're going to do is, you take your jeans, you're gonna scrape. Ready? Watch. Scrape forward or backwards. Okay? And if you notice, you can see that there. You see that little buildup that's happening right there? I'm gonna get a whole bunch of that, right? This isn't a pinch, you know, you're gonna need your jeans. But I'm using an old pair of jeans that ripped already that I'm about to throw out, so it doesn't matter at this point. But this is just for like I have nothing on me but a blade, this, and my ferro rod. Okay? Look at that accumulation there, right? Forward, get some from this side. And what you're doing is you're creating a lint pile. Okay? Just lint. Just a whole bunch of lint that you can use to ignite or start a fire with. Okay? Get a nice lump sum there. And you just want to scrape from everywhere, so now you get in one section, right? What you do is create a little pile of lint. Right, and you can use this to ignite your fire and get it going. So you're over here, right? It's a little lint pile. Lay it away. Take your ferro rod from your survival bracelet or whatever you have, or your lighter, whatever, right? Just light that baby up. Right? Start your fire like that. Okay? But you're gonna need a lot. I was just showing you so you can actually see what it looks like, so you can scrape everywhere, right? You're gonna need a whole bunch. You got a little bit, and then hopefully you get your dry brushes, leaves, tinder source, whatever you have available to you. And hopefully that helps. Alright, welcome to Protect, Live, and Survive. Catch you guys on the flip side.